Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AA Notes channel. In today's tutorial, we'll dive into Adobe Firefly and explore one of its exciting features, Generative Fill. If you've ever wondered how to use this tool effectively, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Generative Fill is a powerful feature in Adobe Firefly that allows you to create stunning, complex patterns and designs quickly. It's perfect for artists, designers, and anyone looking to add a creative touch to their projects. To access Generative Fill, follow these steps. 1. Open Adobe Firefly. 2. Select the Generative Fill. 3. Choose your desired settings from the Options panel. Insert Brush tool to change the image. Draw it. Describe what you want. Then generate fill. Blank words in the Describe panel will remove the image. Generative Fill in Adobe Firefly is a fantastic tool that can truly enhance your creative projects. Whether you're designing illustrations, digital art, or even UI elements, it offers endless possibilities for customization. So, don't hesitate to explore, experiment, and let your creativity run wild. That wraps up our tutorial on how to use Generative Fill in Adobe Firefly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Adobe Firefly tutorials and creative tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.